Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School F at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review and my topic is academy research in publicly funded. Why is not in publicly available? I hope you all are doing well. Today I am sharing my review of the thought-provoking TEDx talk academic research in publicly funded. Why is not in publicly available by Erisa Stone. This talk raises a simple but very important question. If the publicity helps fund academic research through its taxes, why can't everyone freely access the result? One of the main message of this talk is the research has the power to improve lives. Scientific studies help us develop better medicines, improve education, protect the environment, and create new technologies. However, many research papers are published in journals that require expensive subscriptions. This means the students, teachers, and independent research are ordinary people may not be able to read work that has supported by public funding. Another important lesson from the talk is that collaboration leads to progress. When researchers from different countries and backgrounds can easily share information, they can solve problems more effectively. Whatever the topic is healthcare, climate change, or technology, sharing knowledge helps society move forward faster. Watching this TEDx talk on the TED platform reminds us that ideas become more valuable when they are shared. Watching both the English and Urdu version also help make this important discussion understandable for a wider audience. Personally, this TEDx talk reminded me that education is one of the strongest tools for creating positive change. The more people have access to reliable knowledge, the better equipped they are to make informed decisions, develop new ideas, and contribute to their communities. My biggest takeaway from the talk is that knowledge should empower everyone, not just a few. While publishing research involves real cost and different publishing models, finding ways to make publicly funded research and accessible can benefit students, educators, professionals, and society as a whole. So, before I conclude, I want to leave you with one thought. Every great discovery begins with curiosity, but progress happens when knowledge is shared. The more we encourage learning, collaboration, and more discussion, the, op- the more opportunities we create for innovation and positive change. Thank you for watching. If you found this review interesting, I encourage you to watch both the English and Urdu version of this TEDx talk. It offers a fresh perspective on education, research, and the importance of making knowledge accessible for everyone. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.